In this video, I'm going to show you how to change email compositing format to rich text and Microsoft Outlook. Now, this should be a quick and easy process video. So without further ado, just go ahead, type in Microsoft Outlook on your search menu. Then go ahead, open the classic version, assuming that you are using the classic Outlook. Now just give it some time to load. Now the next thing you need to do is to go ahead, access File, then go ahead, access Options at the bottom left, then under General tab, click on Mail. And in the composing settings, just click on this button right here. You can change the email compositing format to rich text. Just click on it, then click on OK. So this should be about it. This was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.